Yo guys, today I'll be showing you how to get the Boogie down emote. Before I show you guys how to get the Boogie down emote, this is how it looks like. So to get this emote, first you need to go into Epic Games. So after this, you need to on the top right it will say sign in. So sign into your account. I already signed in, and then underneath that it should say account. After you signed in, click on account, and then click on password and security. Scroll all the way down, and then at the bottom it should say email authentication, and then over here it should say enable email authentication. But I already did it, so yeah. And then after you enable it, it should give you an email to your Gmail. Or yeah, and then you should give a code again. Yeah, and then you just have to type the code, and then yeah, you're done. And then after that, you just have to restart Fortnite. You should have email. So if this video has helped you, make sure to subscribe and make sure to give the video a like, and don't forget to share the video. And yeah.